From a small factory with only 400 employees 8 years ago to a world-class group company with billions of assets. From a mold factory with assets of only 20 million yuan to the industry's front position with annual sales income of about 10 billion yuan by this time. Foton Lovol International Heavy Industries Company Limited is becoming a growing up fresh blood in the field of world heavy industry. The main business of today's Foton Lovol heavy industry includes the industry equipments as engineering machinery, agricultural equipment and vehicles, etc. It owns an industry procession of 10,000 people, and many of its star products line the top place in our country and export to more than 80 countries and areas in Europe and America, etc. Technology drives process, and quality creates advantage. The rich innovation culture makes the strong core competitive power of today's Foton Lovol heavy industry. Foton Lovol heavy industry, which attaches great importance to introducing, borrowing, and studying international advanced technology, pays more attention to breeding of self-owned brand and protection of self-owned intellectual property right. The company has more than 100 proprietary technologies and 16 proper technologies that have been protected in many target markets in America, Australia, etc. Foton Lovol Heavy Industry applies itself to building the research and development platform for international technology. In September 2006, it reaches the four-country, four-side technology strategy cooperation with Germany Bosch Rexroth Company, Italy Carraro Company, and England LUK Company. And at the same time, Foton Lovol Heavy Industry Europe-America Technology Integration Center declared its foundation. This is the first technology integration center that was founded by China Heavy Industry overseas. Collect knowledge and integrate innovation. Foton Lovol Heavy Industry always applies himself to researching operation mode of supply chains and innovating management techniques, and breaks through the innovation frequently through assembling excellent components resources worldwide and optimizing the strategy support capacity of supply chains under limited market and full market competition conditions. It creates a strong supply chain system and advantageous resources platform. Therefore, it realizes the quality guarantee of entity products and transformation of innovation technology. High standard, elaboration, no defect. Foton Lovol Heavy Industry pursues improvement and details representation in the field of operation. Foton Lovol Heavy Industry successfully introduces the fieldwork management technique and the elaborate production mode of TPS from Toyota of Japan on production manufacturing, generalizes the visualization management technique and standardization of operation mode and normalization of workflow, and thus greatly improves and promotes the material circulation on manufacturing and production organization and techniques. Therefore, it realizes the international joint of production ideas. During the workflow of distribution, Foton Lovol Heavy Industry pays attention to the continual research and effective design on the distributor's mode of operation. Through the continual optimization of distribution workflow and order control, the company realizes deep reconstruction of the network system and forms the resource superiority of the channel of distribution network. All efforts are made for the satisfaction of consumers. The marketing service command system of 5-in-1 covers more than 80 countries and areas all over the world. Seamless World Marketing Service Network 400-658-9888, which is a group of familiar numbers and a familiar information channel, has provided immediate, effective, and humanistic after-sales service for hundreds of thousands of consumers worldwide. A generous learning atmosphere, favorable learning environment, and multi-layer technique training have become one important characteristic of Foton Lovol Heavy Industry. Provide the department or hire leaders with chances of professional study of MBA has attracted more and more professionals at home and abroad. At the present time, each position and each task of Foton Lovol Heavy Industry is carrying out the management technique of clean enterprise and advancing the clean enterprise operation mode and the newest international environment protection model, and the company has become the first group of enterprises entering the Clean Production and Friendly Environment list. Attach importance to the present and have the future in mind. Make efforts to realize the 4-3-3 business arrangement and operation objectives of globalization through the integration of advanced technology, talents, management, and sources of supply chain worldwide. That is, 40% of the products are produced and sold domestically, 30% of the products are produced domestically and sold abroad, 30% of the products are produced and sold abroad. Quality, environment protection, technology, resources economy, people-oriented and scientific development bring up a healthy, sustainable, and developmental enterprise. From starting to acceleration, from singleness to pluralism, and from native land to the whole world. Foton Lovol Heavy Industry, a modern industrial enterprise and a great flag of nation enterprise, is becoming important forces of changing the world.